No, it ain't. Give her some of that juice.
Let her have a spoon and a bowl. Put them there in the See what she does.
Goodness gracious, it got ice cream? She says that's so good.
So good.
No, I want ice cream, Daddy.
Ice cream. Give her the bowl. Let her have the bowl. See what she does.
She's trying.
Dang right. Yeah. That's the only way she gonna find out there ain't no more.
You like that ice cream, huh?
Yes, she does. I knew she did the other day when I offered her to me.
You like that ice cream,
I
huh?
figured that right there would be what she would need. She'd have to have that bowl.
That's it. Pour it all
Yeah,
over you.
dump the juice all over you. Yeah.
That's right. Peaches says she'll lick up anything
Turn
that
it.
falls
Yeah,
over.
Peaches will clean it for you. She'll clean it up for you. You just give me that bowl.
There you
Oh,
go.
she got it. She'll get it around. Peaches sees it on the other side. That's the only thing that shut. And now if he'd have walked off with those, she'd
Oh
have just
no.
screamed and cried.